clapping sound.
Oh, one sec. So
In
how have you
today,
been?
yeah. Let me change this effect.
Oh, it's raining.
Okay. This is a serious stream, and I'm gonna be more serious. So, how Codex deleted your files? Before everything, this stream is sponsored by Foid Foundation and brought to you by La Bombing Corporation.
And Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel is
No, definitely not. It's even in our bio, like it's not funded by Peter Thiel. Not funded by Peter Thiel. It's on our bio on Twitter. Please. I'm not accepting the allegations. And we're gonna talk about vibe coding, and your room is so cool. I just realized the thing on the backside.
Yeah, he
Thank
has so
you.
many things there. Is that what's that on the left? It's what do you call that?
Pinball.
Pinball. Yeah, that's
Pinball.
really cool.
Yeah.
My dad like bought it a while, like when he was like a kid, from like, and just repaired it, and it's something that I'll probably take everywhere because it's just so cool. You can turn it on, like the lights
It's
go on, and you
extremely
can play it.
cool. I wish
Yeah, I
I
can
had it on
imagine
my
that.
background. That's so cool. Let me check if we are live. And we're gonna talk about vibe coding and our experience. These people are winning hackathons, farming hackathons. I just learned vibe coding this weekend, and I built a love bombing app for the first time, and I managed to do that actually, and I'm happy about it. But I think I'm gonna add other things. I think I'm gonna add, like, it's a canvas, but I want to add music making feature too, like digital music audio
That'd be
software,
cool.
like Ableton, but easiest version. So I want to add more features before launching it. I want to make it more slay and cool. Whatever, I'm gonna explain it later. So do you guys want to introduce yourselves before we started, for the people who don't know you?
You want to go ahead, Moses?
Sure. I'm Moses. I'm the chairman of the Foid Foundation, and I am bringing me Foids to Fluent.
Wait, I need to change the name of the stream. Okay, keep talking.
Yeah, so I'm building a on-chain kind of culture preserving platform, which is three kind of fun games. There's an on-chain vision board where you can propose any image and it gets kept on the board and it just like grows. However, there is a removal feature, so if there is anything bad and it gets flagged, it can be removed, but it's like a permanent infinite expanding vision board. And then there's Swipe, which is the new feature, which is like Tinder for memes, and you propose a meme and then you swipe left or right, and if it gets enough votes it gets like preserved in the Pinterest or like the know your meme of crypto. And then there's Praying with Foid Mummy, so you can go talk to Foid Mummy every single day and record a prayer on chain and talk to her, and she's really good at prayers. I quite enjoy it.
I want you to explain the Foid Mummy feature in more detail, please. What happens when you pray to Foid Mummy, talk with Foid Mummy?
So right now, when you pray, the technical thing is you're talking to ChatGPT like 4.0 mini, but it's kind of programmed in this like very caring mother way, and it responds to like exactly the words you say, and it's kind of cool because it's like this personalized like prayer like reflection point. Um, in the grand scope of Foid Foundation, the more you pray, the more your vote is weighted on the board and like for anything. So if you're proposing a meme to swipe, your votes are heavier the more you pray. Also for the me Foids, the more you pray, the bigger the boobs are. So you'll have access to maximum size if you pray.
So you can breast smoke your enemies when you pray. Wait, your Foid can breast smoke your opponents when you pray to Foid mommy.
Yeah,
Right.
and like the grand scope of what I want Foid Mommy to be is I really want to build a custom PC and then run a local model. I'm thinking like Quinn right now because I've seen a lot about. I don't know if anyone else knows about like Quinn, but it's just like I could run a local model for Foid Mummy to be an agent on the PC. And then when I'm doing the NFT mint, it's actually going to be an agentic NFT mint. So all the assets for me Foid are in Blender and we have all the features. So it's going to be like a
Wait,
Milady Maker, like customize. The agent takes your request once it's on chain
wait,
and then it creates it in Blender, pushes it out. And then the fun thing is like an AI chat room. So I'm going to create sub agents or sub like yeah agents for just a chat room feature. So if you can actually talk to your own Mefoid.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
So how are you
yeah,
doing that? You mentioned you made your own privy for the wallet stuff. So how did you do that?
yeah. So I
we just need
literally
an
went to
artist
Claude.
at
I
this
went to
point.
Claude and I said, I don't want to pay for privy. Can we design something? And it gave me three options and I kind of like researched them and looked into it. And and then it kind of built it. I think it took an hour, 2 hours to like fully integrate because there was a lot of like bugs of like, okay, it connects, but there's no setup or there's no explaining. If I go to wait, let me go on my computer and explain because I just launched the new site on Vercel for testing. But in the about the wallet and security, yeah, it literally just generates everything with passkey. So it's just your browser, it's encrypted in your browser locally. It doesn't touch anything. So it's just an embedded wallet that just gets generated. And then like for the voting on the swipe, I use EIP 712. So it's like you're not even interacting with the blockchain. You just put your like $10 into this wallet that's on your website. You can export all your public keys. It's generated on your local PC. So there's no server storage, no nothing. And yeah, Claude just generated that. I don't know how secure it is.
So
But
you're generating a key pair, and are you using anything for the auth, like a Google sign-in or an email sign-in?
no, it's locally. I can
Oh, it's okay.
I'll share it in Telegram because I put it in my about. So that's the security of what it is. So yeah,
Oh, nice.
passkey encryption, key generation, stored locally, and then you can also export your keys if you want to put it into MetaMask. So that was the solution that Claude came up with.
That's actually pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
You don't have to pay privy now. It's like your own thing now. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and like I was running into an issue on mobile because it's like you try to set up MetaMask with it and there's no way that it like opens on like my iPhone. It wouldn't open MetaMask and I would have to open MetaMask's like specific browser and then connect to that wallet and then I'd be able to use it. And I was just like this is such an ugly user interface and like a user experience. So like on the phone, your phone can just generate a crypto wallet instantly and then like store it locally. And it's just encrypted with passkey. So
I
it's like
didn't know
that's
this.
yeah.
This is possible. Everything is possible right now.
So are you also integrating some form of bridge into the Foid ecosystem so that people can bring funds over from
Can I
other
see the
chains?
current version? The Foint Foundation page.
Yeah, I have a Vercel app right now.
Let me share
There.
this.
I just sent it. You everything works. Like you
Can
go
you
to the board,
share?
upload.
Can you screen share?
Yeah.
Wait.
I think it'd be better if you do it because then you can see the I don't I think your local encrypted I don't think I put privacy on the first like when it generates the private key, so you might want to not stream your or share your screen when you do the initial thing.
What do you mean? Like,
It just shows your private key.
so I shouldn't stream.
No, because it's just a local generated wallet. I can share my screen though.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
maybe. Yeah.
I actually don't know how to share my screen on this.
Let me check. I haven't tried before to screen share. So you can see share screen.
No. I see settings and then the
I can
video.
share, but invite guest, copy link. Okay. Guest control all presentations. Okay. Can you see now?
No. Oh wait. Yeah, I can.
Okay, yes. I just toggled.
Okay.
Yay! Add this. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, the shader work looks really good, by the way.
Yeah, thank you. I
It
put
looks
I put a
really
lot of
refined.
yeah, and like it's smooth too. So
It's
starting
really
off at the very
performance
base,
is really good too. Yeah.
yeah, this is the Foid Mummy terminal. So as you can see, I just have an embedded wallet inside of here. So if I switch wallet, I can connect, and then just the Foid wallet, and then it's automatically the embedded wallet, and it's really smooth, which is cool. And then you just go enter. I also have a hidden music feature right here. So
It should say, "Hi, baby. How are you doing today? Hi, sweetie."
yeah.
I like the response.
Yeah.
You for it.
So then I have to so then the transaction just instantly went through and the user doesn't have to interact with any of the things. It's just because it's in the embedded wallet locally, it can just call everything and put it on. So that's it's really cool. And then if I go over to the vision board, I can just propose an image, and then let's just pick another model of Foid, put it right there, and then submit proposal, and it gets uploaded to IPFS and proposed on chain. And then if you go to the website right now on another, or if I go refresh it on my other page, I can see it live, so it gets submitted to chain, and then the money gets taken out of the wallet instantly. So right now it costs 0.001 ETH per placement, and then you can just place your meme here. This is the fun page. So this is Swipe. So it just keeps track of the memes. But let's say you like this meme, let's say you like this meme, you sign it on chain, and then all of them get like finalized afterwards. So this one got rejected, and if they get proposed or if they get accepted, then they go into the gallery to be permanently like shown. And then going over to my Foid
Yo, that's
page.
nice.
Thank you.
That's a Nintendo Game Boy, right?
Hey,
Like,
Yeah.
that's really cool.
Yeah, so I found the like the PNG or the frame of the Game Boy on Pinterest, and then I just like photoshopped out the middle of the Game Boy and the logo, and then yeah. And then I have about page which kind of goes over it. It's not the most polished right now, but then yeah, kind of all the information about me Foid, and then because it's on testnet right now on Fluent and anybody can use it, there's just a faucet link right there that takes you to the faucet so you can get some free money and start testing it.
amazing, amazing updates from Foid Foundation. Let me. Okay, maybe I can deploy this to Verso Live while I'm
Yeah, I think
streaming.
you got this.
But it's updating. Like when I update it, when I add new things, it's gonna update it, right? Like after I deployed it. It's not like I just pushed it and it's like the end of it and I can't change it. It's not like that.
No,
It's
you can
probably
just
not
push.
like
You can just commit. Ask it to commit and push
probably
commit.
not like that. Okay, let me share my screen. Or I'm gonna do it later, but it's like the first version right now, but I like the style and the current branding. I'm just gonna add other things. And,
What do you think of Claude, Cam?
The Cloud code extension.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
have you been
that's what
using?
all I've been using for like the past few days now. Like it's really good because me and my friends got the Cloud Max plan, so I figured why not just use that. I've been paying for Replit forever now, so it's a
Yeah.
nice, like I like doing shit on my own IDE now instead of doing it on the website. So it's
Mm.
been really smooth so far. Yeah, the
Yeah,
codex is
it's
just not good compared to this.
no.
Like it just, I don't know. Chat GPT is kind of mid now.
Yeah. It's insane
I
because
think
like
Codex is sometimes not working. Like it's just I don't know if it's just for me, but it's like disconnecting and reconnecting sometimes. And my internet connection is really well, so I don't think it's because of me. But and cloud is working very well until I hit my rate limit.
no, it's just Codex
The
is
problem
like
right now
if
is
it's a big
reconnecting.
tax.
It's like
What?
reconnecting. It's
Mm.
Codex is not connecting right now. Let me do it on cloud. Mm. Are you guys
The
using
problem with
Cloud
what?
Max?
Yeah,
Which one?
just the lowest plan.
20x or 5x one?
I use 5x and I haven't hit my limits yet. I'm at like
Really?
90%.
Okay, maybe I
Yeah.
can buy that too because I'm hitting my limit very fast right now. I just realized.
Yeah, I think it's my second month of this and I haven't hit my limits in both the months.
I came in that Codex is so annoying. It's like doing this right now. I just said run the website server and it's just doing this. Whatever. Just make it work. It's
Yeah,
in
that's
here,
not a
for
good
example.
sign.
It's thinking. What are you thinking?
Yeah, just go ahead and switch to cloud code like I did. Like it's really
Yeah,
worth it. It's not
I
worth
didn't
the
want to.
headache.
I didn't want to switch for the longest time, but then I was like, I'll try it.
And
Okay.
that's the only thing I've been using so far.
And I'm gonna buy Cloud Max.
I can't believe that it's been used in like military activity and
Yeah,
also
I
Yeah,
the
really
Mexican
gave me permission.
government. Like,
That's so gay, actually. That was so gay, and that's like their own brand also. Oops.
you just have to ask
But
it, please, and it'll do anything.
their values just dropped drastically, and they're just like doing updates and stuff after they gave access to governments.
I mean, I like
They
their
lost so
response.
much value in stock market.
Yeah, but they didn't like buy in. They just like stood strong and like we're not supporting it, and then lost their contracts with the government. I think that's pretty based.
That's based. I support cloud in this situation. Mm, 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 mm. I hope it's synchronized with. Did I connect that cloud to GitHub? Mm, mm, mm.
Cap, Cap. Have you ever used Hyperliquid testnet or anything?
yeah, I did it for the hackathon, but I haven't really touched it since. Like, yeah, I have used it just once. I probably have a GitHub repo somewhere where I
Mm,
implemented it.
I'm trying to make
Perfect.
a R
Amazing.
bot, an agent bot.
Are you going to Cannes?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna
Are you?
apply for my visa pretty soon, so I'll know if I'm coming there.
Um. Yeah, I know. I'm really excited. It just hit me yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was like, wait, I have a driver's license and I could rent a car after like cons and like go just drive around France. Like that'd be
That's actually
beautiful.
a good idea. Yeah, you should probably do that.
Version.
On a Euro road trip.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And then like because I'm flying into Paris and then taking the train to Cannes.
Yeah, that's the most sensible way to do it. Yeah.
Oh, it yeah, it looks beautiful.
Okay, it's not showing the current version, so I need to.
Oh, ETH. Also, it was
Oh,
weird.
yes,
Like
it's
ETH Denver, this it's working.
Did you
yeah.
deploy it?
Can you guys show me how I'm gonna make it public and make it live with Versal
Yeah.
on
So,
live
do you have
stream?
a Versal account?
No, let me
Yeah,
share
you
my
should do it.
first screen first. And can I make the background move, or do I need another thing like JavaScript for that? Probably I know that it requires JavaScript, but it's not it wasn't on the tech stack. Let me share my screen. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I'm gonna put it on a different window.
You Moses, check this out.
Those are that's what you were talking about before, and you sent me the video on, right?
Yep, yep. So this is what I'm like working on right now alongside the 47. So we're
That's
actually going to ship
so.
these out to a lot of miladies.
What just
Oh my
happened?
god.
Where
Yeah.
are we? Where are we right now? What happened?
Yo,
What happened to us?
we got love bombed by the website.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, I really like the UI. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna
What
use
are,
it.
what are you using for? So this is your design, yeah?
Yes, Figma
Uh, have you tried using a variant, by the way, Percat?
variants.
Yeah.
What is that? I just want to make the background move like
Mm.
uh the PNGs move around. Can I do that too with Cloud? Is it possible, or
Oh
do I
yeah.
need to read
So
coding?
if they're like individual PNGs, you could probably tell
Yeah,
Claude to
they're
move them around.
individual
So
PNGs.
you'll probably have to export them individually instead of like a single layer in Figma, and then you can tell Claude to animate them so
Yes,
that they
okay,
move around.
perfect. I want
Yep,
them to animate and just move around a little
yep,
bit.
yep. Should be pretty straightforward.
Let me show the canvas. So basically, oh, where's the button? The button has disappeared. The button was so cute.
That's
Wait,
that's not no,
see,
that's not on you.
I
That's on Codex.
I I grind for that. I grind for that button. Let me put this.
You can blame Codex for that.
That button is so cute.
Codex might have deleted the
Yes,
button.
Yeah, the
yeah.
Codex
This is
deleted
this
it.
is
It's
Codex.
Sam
Yeah,
Altman doesn't want you to have a button, so yeah, you should go to Anthropic.
it was an amazing button. That aqua button. Add the button, bitch. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Add the button, please. Where is my button? CTA button. Incredibles. This is so slow. Let me check Cloud. Cloud is not showing the latest version. That's the problem. Mm.
Oh, you even have a custom cursor for the website. Notice that.
Do I? I put it,
I,
but
I
it's
think
like
I
making
saw
weird.
yeah, I saw like a Japanese text somewhere for a second, but I think it disappeared.
I made a custom normal Mac cursor. I put it
Uh,
added to the local document, but it's just making it not looking like a normal pointer, like the Mickey Mouse thing, Mickey
Mm.
Mouse, old Mac iOS cursor, but it's not making it right. Um, I don't know why it's not right now. But Cloud is also not showing the latest version. I will just try to.
I'll be right back. I'm just going to run to the bathroom.
Mm, Okay, I'm definitely not using Codex.
Yeah, you should definitely move to Cloud Code.
So it's not even updating the GitHub. It looks like it's not updating because Cloud can't see the. And Cloud is the like it's not saying like thinking, doing hard yaka, manifesting, combobulating.
Yeah, that's what I'm
It's
looking at
so
as well right
cute.
now. Yeah, that's really a nice touch to the software. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, how's the weather in Canada?
Is the button.
Is it still snowing?
Minus
Okay,
7,
check.
not that
No,
bad
it's not bad.
Celsius.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have snowboarding tonight, so that'll be fun.
No, no, this is not the version. Cloud is not working. Okay. Mm. I can't believe this is happening. No. No, it just.
We went back.
No, Cloud, stop, please. Don't do this. No. Fuck. Okay, wait. I guess it's working.
Yeah, it's taking a little while.
I hope it adds the right. Okay, I'm buying like 20x whatever Cloud Max, and I'm just vibe coding with that. I'm done. I'm done. Like that was it. Just like crossed the line. You can just mess up my website like this.
Is it done working now?
No.
Yeah, I would say just
Building in public for reals. Okay. I learned my lesson. But I shared this screenshot of the welcome page. I also had another page, but I think it just like decided to not use it. Codex decided to not use it. There was another page that you can see the art other people. Where is the button? This is not the button. Whatever.
it might be coming back.
And the background is not here too. But basically, the idea is you're creating. There are PNGs. I'm also using my own PNGs. I just put them in the folder. They are on the side, and you can create a collage and draw something and upload your own image, memes, or whatever you want, and create a link and send to another person, and they can create a fresh like brand new one, or they can add to your collage. So
That's
it
so
can be
cool.
collaborative art. And the other person, the second person, can send it to someone else and they can add their stuff too.
Oh, that's
So
fun.
it's becoming like a collaborative thing, but I want to add a music feature too, so you can make music.
Oh, that'd be so fun, like making music together.
Yeah, I think that's so cute, super cute. It's like a web installation. There's a girl like Chia, um, doing this kind of web installations, interactive web installations, and I actually like got learned product design by inspiring from her. There
Mm.
are lots of works like she had done on Arena on her Arena account, and she's doing like really cute stuff. Um, and I inspired from mail arts and shit posting. Um, I was gonna
That's
say
cool.
something more.
Did it fix the website or is it
I
done?
guess. Let me see. No way. It just disappeared. Everything is disappeared.
What are you using to talk to Claude?
English.
No, 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 no. Like, are you using the CLI like Claude code, or are you using like Claude?
I'm just using cloud, like normal cloud. I'm not
Okay, yeah.
using
You should download
cloud.
Claude code.
I'm using cloud code. I have the app
Okay,
and I'm just
yeah.
switching to cloud code.
Okay, yeah. You can probably just say like, can you
Okay.
undo everything because that's not what I want, and it'll probably go back.
Let me see if codec's working the right one. Okay. No. 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 Let me share the screenshot and then. Why is this even doing this? Like, mm, normally it was looking like this. Where's Foid Foundation? Here. The button is looking like this. Make it look like
Oh, that's so cool.
again. And but I think this is so cool that like I can do this. Even if
Hmm.
there's some problems.
Well,
It's
it's gone from
crazy.
like the place of like having to like be able to code and translate like your ideas to code, and now like
Hmm.
AI is just the translator, and it's you can kind of think like abstractly about what you want to make, and it'll make it for you if you communicate it well enough. So
Yeah.
cool.
And from my experience, the best way to do it from the beginning is creating a product requirement document and make it more detailed with cloud.
Mm.
Just explain the user journeys, like who is going to use it, why they're going to use it. Captain Code had a power outage. I'm joining
Oh
back.
no. Oh no.
I was going to
Yeah,
make it, I decided not to.
that's a really good way. Yeah, it's and I do know it's like always finicky. Like Codex deleted so much of my code, and using different like models is they always like fight with each other in the changes.
Mhm.
Oh, something's happening.
Mm,
But always remember to
I
like
said,
save your changes to GitHub so you can always restore them.
yeah, I was thinking it's automatically updating the GitHub.
You usually have to like commit and push your things to your
Mm.
repo, or just ask it to save it, or just commit them.
Okay, let me. Do you have any advice and best practices that you can, like, for example, creating a PRD document and making it more detailed with cloud? Do you have
Um,
anything that you experience, or you are just doing everything with code and like not using normal
I
human
haven't
language?
used. No. So what I do is like I just communicate my ideas, and sometimes I use AI to refine the ideas. But I find just like if I sit down and talk in like the command line with Claude Code, um, I can summarize the issue of what's going on and just like talk about it in normal language, and then it
Mhm.
works. And for like branding stuff, I was I was actually at the movement hackathon in East Denver, and I
Mhm.
came up with this idea for like this brand mover. I was trying to win a Mac Mini. I didn't win a Mac Mini, but I got a
Oh,
really cool jacket. Thanks, thanks,
nice.
Grant.
And good job.
But yeah, so I was there, and then I started developing this like agent, or this brand like AI marketing agent that basically took that type of like brand design and stored it as like a brand guidelines, and then kind of went through different things. So like the agent could automatically schedule things to X, post to Discord, all following the brand guidelines and generating content following those guidelines. And I found that like a really cool learning experience of being like, okay, well, you're just talking to a bot on Telegram and you're communicating your ideas, and now this bot is just posting to X, like posting the image and the brand that you're like following brand guidelines, and just doing that instantly. And like the human at the end of it can approve it, so it like it shows you the draft that it's done, and then you can make edits, you can say yeah, that's good, like post it, and it just does that instantly. That's the only experience that I've had. But best practices are just communicating the idea as clearly as possible.
So improve your communication skills. Everything depends on communication and how you
Also read.
convey thoughts and ideas and what you want in life, in manifestation too.
Yeah, I also think a really cool thing, like listen to like Rick Rubin, how he talks and like how he like produces music, and like just enter that like creative way of living with code, because now you can literally communicate any idea creatively in your head, and the robots know how to code that and code it well.
Did
So
he
I think
talk
that's
about vibe coding or like AI and music stuff yet?
I don't I don't know. I haven't followed him in a while. I just like I have his book on the counter, and then I just like know him for the
He's
music
a
stuff.
phenomenal person.
I like
I would
the
love to
I'm
listen
zero
his
technical.
ideas. I would love to listen his ideas about vibe coding and like his esoteric approach to vibe coding and doing things with AI. Okay, looks like AI is not great enough to just like keep my website the same. So whatever, I'm gonna fix it and make everything from the beginning.
I don't think you have to do like make it from the beginning.
Yeah, let me put the same prompt to cloud because it's in my local
Mm.
folder. I can just sorry, my web app, I was thinking that's ready for showcase, but looks like it's not. The codex decided to just remove everything from my website randomly.
Yeah. So those types of things are
And I can paste anything
really
out right now.
they're
You were
fun, especially at like a hackathon.
I'm gonna join a hackathon next time. I'm not going to con, but I wanna join a hackathon with you guys.
They have them all over the world. There's online, like Cap just won an online one. Um, Also the people who I was hacking with in ETH
We
Denver,
should
they
join
said
an online one
they do.
together. Let's join an
Hmm.
online one together. I'm so down. I can even learn coding while I'm vibe coding.
That's what I did.
Oh really? You learned
Yeah.
normal coding while vibe coding? That's so
Hmm.
funny.
At
I didn't.
hackathons. And
Hmm.
I found out everyone at hackathons just vibe codes instead of normal coding.
Yeah, that's the vibe right now, I guess. It's even interesting that there's still hackathons at this point. I think it makes so much sense because like the idea gonna win, not the um your your ability to code faster, not
Hmm.
your ability to code faster, but the idea you have in your mind gonna win the hackathons in this
Yeah,
situation.
it's like how can you understand the current space of crypto and the
Yeah,
emerging trends?
and give like provide an actual solution to a problem if we have
Mm-hmm.
even like an actual problem in crypto, not made up problems. Whatever, I'm not gonna fud
I think
the
the problem would be
industry.
like how do you have these new technologies and you don't know how to integrate them. So you get a bunch of people who are just gonna like iterate on these issues and these new technologies and they'll find something that works and something will be created. Like I think I was looking I think they were saying at ETH Denver, it's like 1inch was created there and a bunch of other like big projects were like started from the hackathon there, which is really cool.
Wait, 1inch built their product in the hackathon, but actually they're like most of products were like I think Uniswap was a hackathon project too.
Let me
Yeah,
try to
yeah, Uniswap was a hackathon project too. Mm, or just I just made it up. Mm,
mm,
let me check.
yeah, I can't find that.
What is that?
I can't find the link about all the projects because I remember seeing it at ETH Denver, but
Let me ask Grok.
Okay, it was a different project because Uniswap is not founded in a hackathon. And I think this is so slow because I'm doing like 2K streaming right now.
Mm.
Killing something. Kill any processes on port 3000 for application startup. But let me check. That bro.
Figure it out. Oh, I'm just by myself. Well, Percat crashed out. Her streaming thing crashed, so I'm gonna end the live stream. Oh wait, you're back. Wow, I was just talking about ending the stream because I didn't know.
No. This is amazing. It's not like space. Okay, perfect. It just crashed out.
That's
My
so weird.
computer can't stand this anymore. My little computer. Canadian government and TD Bank successful pilot 100 million Canadian dollar bond issuance using Hyperledger. Canadian news.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
The block.
They, I know there's another Scotiabank just released an ETF on crypto, too, which is like another Canadian bank, which is pretty cool.
I don't know. Like the institutionalization of crypto is like a little bit sketchy. I've been reading some Bitcoin Maxi articles about it, and I'm like, okay, this is a scam because like basically they are looking for more liquid, like yeah, liquid, liquidity for
They're,
an asset. Oh wait, I guess it's working right now. I guess yes. Yay! Wait. Share this window. Yes, this is working. I don't know if Cloud or Codex did this,
wow.
but the button should be bigger. It's
Don't fix the button right now because it's working.
whatever. Okay, this is the canvas.
Okay.
That's
Wait,
just
make that
dragging
the
and
biggest
dropping.
one.
Oh yeah.
My face is the biggest one.
Sorry, let me. And I have so many PNGs. Like I'm so autistic about PNGs. I have like my whole computer. Actually, if I delete my PNGs from my computer, I'm gonna have so much space. But I've been like collecting PNGs since like Tumblr times. I have
That's sick.
I'm gonna add all of them. So basically, I'm still collecting them too. Like, let me see. Okay, perfect. I can do this too. I wanna apply like the
Yeah.
opacity things on Photoshop too, like color dodge or like other things. Okay, so I added this, right? Sand lava bomb. This should be pink, by the way.
Hmm.
Like
Oh wait,
the
can I interrupt for 1 sec? If you go to Claude and you literally just describe the opacity thing and like say don't
oh,
change anything else in real time, Claude would put the opacity thing
but
in
let
the
me.
site.
It should be like the same. The um windows
Oh,
should
also
be.
it's not on the
Also, you
big
are
screen.
still yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, going to cloud. Let me check if no. Uh, interesting because cloud is not running like they're running different things. It looks
Oh,
different on cloud link and codex link, but
weird.
codex link is the right one.
Okay.
What should I do? Should I say just like run it to the put everything to GitHub so cloud
I
can use this?
I think just like leave it as it is right now because it's kind of just
It's
working, and
still
then
doing
after,
something.
yeah, like once it's finished, just say put like
Let me send you.
whatever version of it is working. Like, okay, so your codex one is working.
Yeah, codex one is working. The other one is also working, but the design is not right. Like it's looking gray. The welcome page is gray. It's looking like this on cloud.
Oh, I
Mm,
see.
this is completely different. Oh wait. Oh wait. Okay, this is the same. Like when you enter, create a love bomb, cloud is working it right. It just needs to change the window color to pink. This is the
Oh, I
welcome
see.
page. Like you can see an examples created
Hmm.
before. This love bomb doesn't exist. Try sending a fresh one to someone special. Okay, I
I
can
don't
see
see
that
the
you
pop-ups. I just see the
create. Wait, let me. I think I'm sharing the wrong screen. Oh. Replace. Share this window. Okay, this is the right one because it has the. No, fuck. Okay, wait. Mm. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the right one. It just needs to be pink.
Yeah.
And I think it should be a little bit different. Create a love bomb. And you enter your name. Button needs to be bigger. And this is your canvas.
Oh, cool.
And this is a gift too. This needs to be moving also.
Oh, Cap says let him in.
Let's let him in. This is actually so cute. This is gonna be
Welcome
so
back.
cute when it's finished.
This is sick.
Really?
It's cool. Yeah, it's interactive and like that's
I don't
so
know.
cool.
It's a
You
cute.
should put the layering of the pictures in there too.
Yeah, layering. Like a Photoshop thing. Okay,
Mhm.
so I'm creating Sandla Bomb. Copy the link. Open it. I'm sending it. Oh, but it's a local host. It's not a universal. Okay, let's put this on Versal.
Yeah. Okay. So then go to
Do you remember when we just
yeah
said
in the chat.
localhost? Like, what is localhost? Don't ask me anything.
Yeah. So go to Claude and say, "Can you deploy this on Vercel?" And then it's gonna walk you through how to do it, and then just follow the steps. Oh, Cap got kicked apparently.
This is gonna be so cute when you can be able to make music too. Do you know Ableton? Learn music with Ableton website. Wait.
No, let me look this up.
I have so many things open at the same time. Ableton, so many Zen with tabs. This learn Ableton. I'm gonna open this in here. What was the name of the website? Let me see. Learningmusicableton.com.
Cap says let him in again.
Cap is not here. Oh wait, it's here. He's here. Captain Code.
He got kicked again.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm
wait.
in now.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
So I wanna add something like this.
Oh. Oh, that's like a music thing, right?
Oh, cool.
So can I
That's-
just share this website, Ableton website, and say that add this to interface, like the same thing. There are other versions too, like
yeah.
this.
I would
Like
say
basically the how you gonna make music.
I would like plan it out. So just say, hey, I want to integrate like this type of feature into my website, and then show the Ableton, and then it'll create something like that.
You could probably find an open source GitHub
I have an
probably that
idea.
does the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to add things like this to the canvas so you can make music and share it too.
That'd be so cool.
Okay, so I think I can figure it out. I can ask Cloud. I want to add features like this to the canvas next to the canvas, so people can make their music and send it to with the graphics, with the canvas, visual stuff. Can you write it in a technical way so that the Cloud Code can understand it, or something like that?
Wait, can I?
No, not you. Like I'm think about. No, I'm gonna ask Cloud in a normal chat
Yeah.
once, so he can create a more detailed instructions for Cloud Code. So Cloud Code can create it for the website in a more detailed, like can so it can communicate in a better
Yeah.
way.
Yeah, that's like perfect.
Basically,
It'll literally you'll be able to make it.
make my prompt perfect for Cloud Code so it can understand and implement what I want. Let me
And
check.
if you don't understand something that Claude Code says, you can go back to the like regular Claude.
Hmm. But I said that in the beginning of the project, I'm not technical. I don't understand anything technical. So please explain everything to me one by one without using any technical language, and explain everything to me step by step. Experience anything that I didn't understand in Cloud Code, but in Codex, I even had to write a code like I asked like how should I answer this to Codex, and then it gave me I just opened the terminal and I had to write it. I kind of enjoyed it. I was like, oh, I'm doing something technical. It's so cool. Like I'm learning coding, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
that was the feeling that I had like the first week of like Ship House, where I was there
I'm
and I
writing
was just
code, bro. I'm just like
yeah, like
I'm a coder right
I
now.
I just I just made a Uniswap like fork. I'm a coder. I deployed it. I'm a coder, and
Wait,
then
you
it
just
just like
deployed your first code in Ship House
yeah,
or in Singapore? Really? That's so
yeah.
funny.
Yeah, so it was like all those experiences, and then you learn the technical stuff by just participating in hackathons and like building with other people, and like you learn what they kind of do, and you kind of get the benefit of like all their experience with coding.
Nice. I'm gonna join a hackathon next time. Imagine me coming out as I think I can be the design engineer or something like that, but I don't want to be. I like things, like I like creative things more. But I think at
Mm.
this point, code like creating things with code is very creative.
Yeah,
If you have
yeah.
cool like
Also, like this idea is so cool. I like it.
this,
Yeah.
so it's not really stupid. Nice. Let me see if it is working. No. Let me see cloud codes. Is there any option that I can allow everything instead of just like
No,
allowing everything one by one? I'm not
no.
even it.
I think there's like some open source fixes, but nothing like actual.
Enter the code from your device to authenticate it to your Versal account. Wait, yeah, I guess it's doing the Versal thing. Authorization successful. Something is happening.
Hopefully it gets deployed to Versal. That'd be cool.
There will be a baddie manifestation, not manifestation, manifesto very
A
soon.
bad, a bad.
Baddie manifesto. Okay, is it working? What is happening? Mastering, baking. Where is Captain Code?
I don't know. He turned off his camera.
Mysterious things are happening. Let me check if I guess. What happened to my description and everything. Okay. Okay, I just lost it. Okay, I'm gonna do it later. I am publishing my first podcast on Spotify.
That's sick.
I'm gonna write the description later. I need to find it. Logged
I
in.
do.
Now let me
I do
deploy.
have
It's
to
deploying.
go pretty soon, though.
Hmm?
I do have to go pretty soon.
Okay, we can end the stream.
Yeah, hopefully Cap comes back, but I would love to
I
see
think
the
we can
website.
end the stream. It's been 1 hour, I guess. And I can just do every change. But it's like deploying right now, right? I just
Yeah.
wanted to share it and then you can add your stuff to my stuff.
Yeah, let's
My
do
can
that live.
I guess it's gonna take longer.
It shouldn't be that long. Like once it uploads.
Okay. You can end the stream and I can share it later. Share in the group chats.
No. It should be almost finished.
Okay.
You got to show it live. So how are things now with your live streaming, and like, are you in any other crypto conventions?
I'm not gonna go ECC, but I wanna go Dubai, probably. But other than that,
Do you think Dubai will happen with what's going
wait, yeah, there's a war right now. I think it's gonna happen anyways. If ECC and ETH10 were still happening,
on?
probably Dubai gonna happen too because like there's a war in ETH, on ETH too.
Yeah. Is that close to you?
Low key. We are like completely detached from any situation. Like, I don't know how it's happening, but like we're basically next to Iran and everything, but like we are just like, I don't know, like everyone is acting like, and also I think it's about like the political relationships with Iran or something, like probably there's a secret pact between Turkey or Iran, between Iran and our relationships. Turkey relationships with Israel is also good. And I think they just declared like we are not choosing any side or something like that. They said something, the government said something like this, so we're not getting involved with anything happening.
That's good.
Yeah, very interesting. We're just next to everything, but nothing ever happens in Turkey.
Yeah.
This is very funny, and everything is like everyone is like, oh yeah, there's a war in Middle East, but we are not in Middle East. It's just next to you. Everyone is acting like that.
Hey, Cap.
Welcome back, Captain Code.
Yeah, I was just AFK for a while.
What is happening in there?
Where?
Why do you have why are you having electricity outage?
Oh, it was just like a service thing. They were switching it out, so some electrical stuff. I don't know.
Oh, okay, it's deployed. Lawbombing.versal
Oh,
app.
let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Lawbombing.versal.app.
I'm actually gonna.
It's such a cool domain, actually. Lawbombing. No one has that. Everyone has like numbers and random things. Okay, creating a law bomb. So
Yeah, I can see it.
Yay! Take me there. Okay. But I can change it, right? I can change anything. Let me send.
Yeah, it's
Copy. Love bombing domain. What is that? Love bombing.
That's like a list of domains you could buy for the website.
Is it like there's Kate said that there's like a cheaper version of the love bombing love
Yeah.
bombing CV love bombing INC. Oh, it's so expensive. Love bombing tech. Love bombing app. Love bombing app. Love bombing. Love bombing you. That's you. Love bombing dot mom. Love bombing dot love will be
cap.
love bombing tech. Okay, maybe I can get
got
love.
something for you.
What you got? What's that?
Okay, link copy.
Oh, you created a love bomb.
I'm sending the link. Open this.
This love bomb doesn't exist yet.
Oh,
I think there's a
okay.
backend
Wait,
issue
it's
here.
not
So
working?
you got yeah.
You have to work on the backend bucket.
Oh my god. No, what should I do? What should I say?
Just say please to Cloud Code and it should be fixed.
No,
you have to love bomb
because the
Cloud
I
Code.
mean,
front end is working perfectly, but yeah.
I was thinking it's fully working, fully functioning app. It was working for me when I tried on my local host. Now it's too exposed. Okay, what I'm gonna do? Where is my cloud?
Whoa, I like the eraser. That's sick.
My love bomb, it's not working and showing this pop up.
Wow, such a cool design.
Okay, I referenced the PRD. It's gonna check the PRD too. This is the main function of this app. How is not working?
I enjoy the design thing.
It's not finished. The design is not finished yet. But I want it to be. You can also upload image too.
Oh, cool.
Is it working? Yes.
Oh, I would love to. Oh, that'd be so cool. But like this type
And
of
you
feature
can
is like
draw.
really well designed.
You can draw.
It'd be really cool to put it into like the lore board too, so like people could interactively like go through something like that and then like upload their image to, because yeah, if you think about like how you want to store it or how you want to share it to other people, you can use like on-chain stuff to store it too, which is a cool like path.
Adding
There's a lot
on-chain.
of cool. Oh, you could send a love bomb as like an NFT and it mints it as an NFT, and then you could have the updatable metadata in it. So like every time someone just sends it, they can like update the data in that like letter once, and then it gets like
Minted.
that's the new NFT. It's well, the artwork in the NFT evolves after like people interact with it, and they just like add to it, which would be cool. Those are like all really
guess-
fun things.
I guess. It haven't finished yet. Oh wait, I was thinking I'm sharing the screen. Let me share Cloud Code actually. Okay, this is what is happening right now. Allow bomb. I guess it's gonna test users. It's gonna show the name. Wait, I need my blush to brush my. Okay, anyways, this is very fun. I'm especially excited for the adding like Ableton parts.
Yeah, that's gonna be really cool.
But can I add more? Like music, making music, GIFs. I think that's enough. But like, yeah. Can you explain again what do you mean by turn it into an NFT? Like when it's gonna turn into an NFT? You said that when you're gonna interact with it. What do you mean by that?
Oh yeah. So okay, so like you have your platform, and you can generate content or like pictures or love bombs, and then when you send that, like it could be like an on-chain transaction where that love bomb then gets like minted as an NFT, and then there's like an EIP where you can update the metadata of the NFT. So like if the NFT is like a pointer on IPFS to where that image is stored, then you update that image with an updated version of your image of what someone else added. So like if it gets sent to someone, they can then add over top or like but they can add over top of that, and that gets added into like a combined image, and then that's the new NFT, and then they can send it to someone else.
And it's gonna be the same NFT.
Yeah.
It's like not. It's like what Candy Labs is doing actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's like composable. You can change the traits of your NFT, buy new traits for your NFT, and change it. You have a base NFT. You're just minting a base NFT, and you can change the traits, buy new traits that people do on Candy Labs. You can change it.
That's cool. That's cool.
So it's gonna be something like that.
Yeah, like there's so many cool ideas, and I don't even think it's like I fell into the same issue with like Foid
Is it
Foundation of like just adding more things, and then
okay? Try now.
no try.
We'll try logwarming.virtual.app. Let's try. Please, Cloud, please, let's make it work. Oh yes, you can see the link. You can also see the links. A love bomb from Per, but it needs
Oh,
to be in
cool.
the center.
I see that. That's awesome. That's
Yeah,
it's so
wait.
sick that you deployed it and you got it working.
Yes, this is my first app.
Good job.
Yay!
It looks great.
Wait, it just needs to be pink and on the center. Wait, let me share try to add a new one. Try to edit the one that I sent to you. And share your screen while doing that. Add your love bombs, create your own.
Cap, you want to share your screen?
Give me a sec. I'm trying to figure out what the link is.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Oh yeah, it renders
It's
now.
so fun. I can't believe I can do this. I'm so happy. I wasn't expecting to be this happy.
Yeah. Well, you just like took an idea to like literally a functional thing that I can use. So
It
it's
was
like
longer because I was like so hesitant. Like I don't know, like I was afraid of breaking something. But I could like finish this in a day. But I was like, okay, let me do this one by one.
yeah. So I added to
Nice. And I was thinking like adding my own PNG is gonna be the hardest, but I just put everything to a folder and said that use these PNGs instead of the ones that you generated, and it was the fastest thing ever.
yeah. That's so sick.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay, create
Okay.
one with screen.
I gotta get going though. So thank you for the stream, and it was nice talking to you guys.
Yeah, it was nice to catch up. Let's do this every week or like every other week. And
I would
share
love
the
to. I want to.
share vibe coding updates, what we do with vibe coding, what we build and stuff.
Yeah, I
You
would love to
guys
hear
should
about
do a live
apps.
stream during hackathons. You should do a live stream in the hackathon.
That'd be
I
fun.
don't think
That
people
will be
actually
so
have done
fun.
that before. Yeah,
You
like that's
do
something people
you
haven't
guys should
done yet.
definitely do it. If I was coming, I will like record it with you. Like actually that would be so funny.
Wanna do it at ECC?
Create
At
you can create fake dramas. I can't come.
Oh, yo, Cap.
What's up?
Mads and Kyle are coming too.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be
Okay.
fun. Okay, well, I'm gonna get going,
Okay.
but yeah, I'd
But
love to
you
do it
should
again.
do one and share in the group chat. In the Foid
Oh,
Foundation group chat.
wait,
Create your
one.
own lamb bomb and share it. I don't know if it's working. That's why
Oh
I'm
no,
asking.
it is. I updated. I updated your one you sent,
Oh, wait.
and it got the updated stuff.
Yes. Okay. Create your own. Take me there.
That's so cool.
I don't like the.
Okay,
Okay.
see you
Preview
guys.
needs to be changed too. See
Bye.
you. I think we can end the stream.
Yep.
Captain Coach. See you in the next stream. Thank you for
Bye
joining.
bye.
Time. Bye.
Yeah.